One of the strategies to earn consistent and decent income is short strangle option strategy. In fact, many institutions follow this strategy too. So, in this video, let us discuss about short strangle option strategy. Hi viewers, Namaste. Welcome to the world of Get Trading. In the last video, we discussed about long strangle. If you haven't seen that video, the link is in the description box below or the I symbol above. In long strangle strategy, when there is a chance of sudden increase in volatility, we can buy one out of the money call option and one out of the money put option and capture the movement in either direction. But for short strangle, in simple words, short strangle is used when there is a chance of low volatility or when there is a shift from high volatility to low volatility. What that means? Volatility will be very low that the price stays in a very particular range. So, to profit from the stay in the price, we can sell one out of the money call option and one out of the money put option and then wait for the premiums to decay with time and be zero. We will profit fully. We are not biased to any direction and so this can be also called as neutral option strategy. Okay, let us discuss this in detail. Let us take an example, Nifty June's monthly expiry. If you feel like Nifty will remain in between 9,650 and 10,350 in the next 10 days, sell one put option at 9,650 and one call option at 10,350. You have to sell equal number of lots in both put and call options. And of course, you have to trade in the same script and the same expiry contract. So, how much premium are we collecting by shorting these two? For put option, 81.25 rupees and for call option, 59.3 rupees. So, the total credit for us is 140.55 rupees. Let us assume we have traded one lot size and also let us assume that at expiry the price remained in the same range you expected. Then your profit would be 140.55 into 75, 10,541 rupees approx. To know how much investment is needed for this strategy, open your broker margin calculator. For fast securities, open this website. In Span Calculator, select these settings and click on Add. So, for put short trade, you should have 1,22,000 approx. Next, call option short at 10,350. Enter these inputs and click on Add. So, the total margin required is 2,20,000 approx. But as we are combining these two trades and minimizing our risk, 1,38,000 is enough for this trade. So, if our strategy works, 10,350 is the profit for 1,38,000 investment. Almost 7.5% profit within 10 days. But if you trade this in the starting of the month, you will be getting high premiums, right? So, let us assume only 7% per month is our returns. Then, our yearly returns are 84% in a year. The trick to use this strategy is, of course, apart from the prices and the ranges, while tracking implied volatility, if you feel that the IV is high and will come down in few days, then if you use this strategy at the time, you may get high premiums. Okay, even if you get such trades only 50% of the times, then also you can earn almost like 40% returns in a year. Those who want to take less trade and earn decent and regular income, you can use this strategy. Okay, if you are wondering why I said low risk instead of risk free, if the price goes beyond the range you selected, you are exposed to loss as it goes far. So, it is more essential to select the strike prices and IV properly. Okay, let us see this strategy on the chart. If you think that till 25th June, Nifty will not go below 9,650 and will not go above 10,350, this means that you're thinking in the next 10 days, Nifty will not move more than 350 points in either direction. But what if it goes above 10,350 or goes below 9,650? You'll get losses right from there, right? No viewers, there is a little buffer too. To understand this, let us see the payoff diagram. This is our call short payoff diagram for the strike price of 10,350. And this is the put short payoff diagram for the strike price of 9,650. Let us see our profit and losses when the Nifty expires at 9,650. We'll get the profit of both premiums, right? And the profit is 140 rupees. We will be in no profit no loss range when the Nifty falls below 9,650 minus 140 rupees. So when Nifty closes at 9,510 rupees, this is the no profit no loss region. And when the Nifty expires at 10,350, both premiums profit, right? So where will be our no profit no loss region at the upside? 10,350 plus 140 rupees, 10,490 rupees. And if the price goes higher than this, we will get 75 times per lot loss. And even when the price falls below 9,510, we get 75 times per lot loss with every point. Okay, when will we get our maximum profit? When the price stays below 9,650 and 9,350 as we expected. We have discussed this payoff diagram very quickly because we had already discussed this in detail in the options payoff diagram and long triangle video. So if you have any confusion at this point, please see those two videos too. Okay, upside break-even point is 10,490 and downside is 9,509. Hope you have understood this. Limited profit but unlimited loss is true because if price goes beyond these points, you will be exposed to the loss. Of course, you can keep a stop loss or exit from the position, or you can use option adjustments too. And one more option is to use iron condor strategy, which we will discuss in the next video. Anyways, as I said earlier, you should be pretty sure that price will not move beyond this range. Or when you feel that the volatility is very high and also feel that it reduces with time from now, you can use this strategy. In stock market terms, narrow range or neutral or sideways movements. One more thing, when you catch this strategy at the high volatility regions, you'll also get high premiums, right? The friends of this strategy are time decay and theta. The enemies of this strategy are volatility and vega. We discussed these in the option Greeks videos. Okay, observe these for 2 or 3 months, and once you're confident, then you can plan your trades. So this viewers is about short triangle video. Let us meet in our next video about iron condor. Until then, have a happy, safe and profitable trading. Jai Hind.